Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need strawberries, lemon, cheesecake, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, graham crackers, sugar, and vanilla. Begin by slicing 1 pound of strawberries into fourths. Dice 1 pound of strawberries. Cut cheesecake into cubes. Crushed graham crackers. In a saucepan, add the strawberries that are sliced into fourths. Add a half cup of sugar, add the zest of a lemon, add the juice of a lemon, cover and cook on a medium heat for 5 minutes or until the strawberries soften. Uncover and crush the berries. Cook until the sauce thickens. Remove from the heat and allow to cool. In a bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and mix until you reach a thick whipped cream consistency. In a separate bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix until smooth. Add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix. Fold in whipped cream. Fold in diced strawberries and cheesecake cubes. In a freezer-safe dish, layer ice cream mix, strawberry compote, and graham crackers. Swirl the mixture and repeat. Cover with plastic wrap and foil. Freeze for at least 6 hours. For the best results, freeze overnight. And there you have it, strawberry cheesecake ice cream. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.